Alright, come here. Alright, so this is Taylor reading If You Give a Dog a Donut. You want to flip? Okay, you do it. You go to the first page. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him that, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more, please. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make some of his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of a baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a glove. Of course, he'll also need he'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. And then what? Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Dancing will make him hot and so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his heart and pretend he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. String, yeah. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher until it gets tangled in the The tree will remind him of apple juice. So he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he's going to want a cookie, a donut. That's a mouse and cookie. Good job. Can you give mommy a huggy? Mouse and cookie? Can I have a huggy? Mouse and cookie. Alright, you go get in our book. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Bye. Bye-bye.